A-B-B-E-N-T-H-I-K-K-N-N-N-V W-N-Y-N-T Hannah with the A-B-D and the D with me.
That was good, Bam. All right, guys. Bam is like my shop buddy right now. Saturday, not open on the weekends, only when I'm trying to fulfill things. Maddox, come this way. Only when I'm trying to fulfill orders, which today is that day. So I'm meeting a customer up here. And this is only as needed, man, honestly. But the goal is for customers to pick up things during normal business hours. But today was a special situation. But plus I wanted to come back to the shop anyway to look at some stuff. Excuse me. So now we're gonna go in. It's a hot mess because yesterday I left just in a rush trying to get this order done. I told you guys yesterday this was the order from hell, man. It was color changes and all this other nonsense. So it actually feels good in here. But what I'm about to do right now is I'm gonna take advantage. And I've been the biggest crock hater. Close it. Close it. I've been the biggest crock hater, guys. I just don't like the way they look. But I stole my mother-in-law's and I'm using them. All right, guys, this is the back. Stop. Why are you walking up just touching stuff? This is the back. I was working on that while I was waiting for this customer. It's gonna have to do, y'all. I'm not gonna go in and put in a real wood floor. Literally, this is gonna expand all the way out here, but it's gonna take some time. It's gonna take some time to get everything the way that I want. This should be set, and then I bring in all the other stuff and put all of this back on it. So, okay. So tell me backing up, you really can't tell. This room, I'm taking out the water heater, and I'm gonna put that table across. My exposure unit's gonna go on top. I'm probably gonna cut a hole out of the middle, so my LED light, I'm probably gonna cut a hole out in the middle, so my LED light just sits flush right in there, and it gives it a consistent space, because right now the way the exposure unit is, it's pretty thick, and I wanna try to get at least like 12 to 15 inches away from the actual thing itself. Maybe, I don't know. I'll mess around with it, but that is something that I need to work on, which is like Monday or so. But yeah, I did all this. So you guys can see the termite damage is real, so I have to come in and have someone spray for all that. They might even tell me the whole damn thing is come apart, but so I did all that in the corner, started there, worked my way across. Now I just have to go get another box to complete all of the edges. So I just need like 1, 2, 3, and then those will probably be like halves or something. You know, I don't know. But yeah, all this shit, all I gotta do is just peel this up and it comes right up. So the next goal is, and it's not that expensive, the vanity that I wanna get, that's metal. It's a utility one that's like meant for like your house or whatever, or your laundry room. So I'm just gonna literally, once I rip this out, I'm just gonna paint real quick. And then the metal's gonna be much easier because then I can clean solvents, I can clean, you know, ink and stuff out of it. It won't stain it like it's stained right here. Like it looks terrible, it looks like a murder scene. But that's the goal for here. But yeah, this is somewhat of an update of the updates. So taking you guys through, let me turn off these lights, because I pays the electric. And I don't. One of my storage units, it's called a DAS, which is a direct attached storage unit. I had another nightmare. Well, basically I just had a job that has just freaking came out of nowhere and I mismanaged. But right now, I am applying these tiles. Oh Jesus, this is so gross. But I'll show you guys what I did. Yesterday I came to the shop. It's so brittle. Yesterday, came to the shop with that customer, and now I I came back this morning. It's about 7 in the morning on a Sunday. And I'm just gonna lay down a few more tiles out of it because they're just hella stick. For now, it's gonna have to work, guys, because I don't own the building. And yeah, I'm not about to invest a lot of money because flooring is not cheap. So, and that's why I let the floor look the way it looked while it was looking the way it looked. Because I was gonna put this floor down, so I'd rather paint while the floor is ugly than try to do it when it's not. You know, that's just terrible. Don't want to do that. All right. So, enough of looking at my knees and my hands. Yeah, so told you guys, she's ugly, very ugly, but she has a pretty face. Right now, she's dressed up ugly, hasn't been taken care of, but the goal is to get you guys to see what I see up here. And this shop is gonna be, and it's gonna look amazing once I'm actually able to get it the way that I wanna do it. So, yeah. Woo! Your boy's got a shave. So look, y'all, I've been stressed out over this job. There's a job that creeped up on me, man, for one of my clients. My wife's a part of the PTA of my daughter's school. She's a treasurer, and she asked me to print a banner. Man, I've been stressed out trying to get this done. So I'm on my way to get it done, print this banner out, and have it ready, because tomorrow is my deadline. And with my Photoshop situation, my laptop situation just being what it's been horrible. But I was able to get it done. Shout out to my dad for helping me. So yeah, I'm actually out. About to handle this, get this done. Man, pressure of owning your own business, man. Like, every job, your reputation matters. Just everything matters, man. So I feel like every single job is important, trying to like meet the deadlines and figure these things out. But I am actually happy that I was able to, I'm happy that I'm able to get this done. Hopefully I can get it done within this time. So I'm skirting out right now, guys, in the car, bending corners. Bending corners right now, man. Cross your fingers, guys. Nothing but good vibes, nothing but good vibes. All right, guys, just put a whole can to this and that. They still look terrible, but at least they're gonna be black, and they're not gonna, right now I can see all the imperfections, and you probably can't too, but that's because it's out in the sun. But when this is in the back of the shop, the back room, you're not really gonna be able to tell. It's not that big of a deal. Oops, put this. All right, back to the inside of the shop. Should take this in, but now what I'm gonna do real quick is I'm gonna work on this, fixing the rest of this tile down here, getting this situated. Okay.
Put the camera right here. Dropped it.
Wait, stay there. So I got Fifi with me. This time last week, Bam Bam wasn't feeling too well. He had to go with me to the shop. Today, Phoenix is not that she's not feeling too well. It's just, I told you guys in one of the last vlogs a few days ago that Phoenix starts school tomorrow because of her school district. She starts on, I don't know what tomorrow is, but she starts on Tuesday. I don't know what day of August that is. It's been a big blur. This whole month has been a blur with this remodeling and all that good stuff and moving. But anyways, we didn't want to pay for just 1 day worth of childcare because we can't. That's not even an option. We have to pay for the entire week. So my wife and I decided to just have Phoenix come up to the shop with us, and so that's what we're doing right now. We're gonna do a lot today. We got some running around to do. The goal for me is to get into the shop, finish the back. I also want to finish the wall, because then that'll allow for me later today to then go in and start prepping, because by the end of today I want to paint the 2 orange walls. But then after that I have to go pick up an order. I gotta go pick up some shirts. I also have to go pick up some screens. So there's a lot of stuff. Phoenix is gonna be my road doggy dog today. So yeah, so we're making it happen, y'all. We're making it happen. So we're about to pull up to the shop right now. This is Phoenix's actual first time. You haven't even been in the shop, huh, Fee? So yeah, Snips hasn't been in the shop at all. Let's go in. Phoenix, you wanna hold the camera?
Okay, Daddy. Do I need to bring my backpack too?
Yes. Okay, this is Phoenix's first time coming into the store. Her first time. Look at what Daddy's been working on. It's a hot mess. There's still some work that needs to be done.
I like it.
But it's ours. You see the press? Now that's a big dryer. Yeah, the bathroom looks terrible. But we're gonna put up a TV and stuff. And look, Daddy already put that up. So you can set up. This is gonna be your area to do what you do. So we'll check in with you guys later. My goal is to get this situated. I'm also gonna finish. I did the floors already, but I'm gonna finish organizing this. I actually have a light that I brought from my house that I was gonna get rid of, but whatever, I use it for now. I'm gonna put it up there, and it's like a little tiny stand one. It's meant for the house, but whatever, it'll still work. And then it hooks up to Google, so I need to set that Google up so then I can, do what I do. But yeah, we're gonna get it going, guys. Okay, so I told you guys that I was gonna keep you more involved and vlog while I'm in the shop. Sorry, I didn't vlog me putting up the production monitor for Printavo. Also didn't vlog any of this stuff getting set up, but I am gonna vlog me taking that off, this thing right here. I'm gonna take that off. I'm gonna take, there's an outlet on it that's still live. I'm gonna take that off, and I'm just gonna route it down to over here, so then I can have some power on this wall before I paint it, because now I've moved everything out. You can see over here, there we go. I moved everything out from this wall. I also moved everything out from that wall. And then this wall is gonna get painted too. So I'm just prepping everything, getting everything kind of ready, so that when I start painting, it's gonna be an easy go. Need to go to the bathroom?
Hi guys, this is my dad painting.
Oh, you're struggling with these big old Crocs on. Show me my Crocs, girl. Today.
Oh.
Anyone that knows me, they know that I talk so much crap about Crocs.
Yep.
I'm wearing them just to save my back, because I heard that they work really well to keep you good. But Lord Jesus, there's some clunkers. Look at Phoenix. No, you don't have to do that. Try to do down here. Do this area. Look at TC. Steps over here getting her thing home. Just being in the shop, man. So dusty. That's my goal, is to get some AC up in here to keep it to where I'm not. Hold on. Get some AC in here, so I ain't gotta worry about all this dust, man. Like, it's just years and years of dust just collected in cracks and crevices that, like, there was dust all in those. There's dust everywhere, man. And I think it's just because leaving that door open, and just having all that dust just come up. Like, look up there, I haven't even cleaned that yet.
Hey guys, my dad is finishing painting, and he's doing this, and then I'm gonna go help him.
Get rid of the ugliness, guys, and put it in the ECG scan. I want regulars and new customers to come in and be like, homie. I want the regulars to be like, man, I didn't even know that this was even here. Or dang, man, like, you definitely definitely things are staying nice. Right now I'm working on painting because the rest of the day is going to be printing and admin. That's the rest of the day. What's up, y'all? I did it. Painted this wall. Yes, I did, man. In about an hour, it should be dry. It's gonna look that orange. This right here, this is all freshly painted. You can see kind of in the middle, but it's all gonna be like that darker orange. So kind of like we'll match this. So I'm excited. And then the last wall, man, last wall in the shop will be this one, and that one's gonna be orange as well. And then, yeah, I'm gonna get my banner up. It's gonna look good. My banner's gonna go probably right there. Yeah, man, it's coming together. It's coming together. Once I get this wall, once I get this wall painted, I'm gonna be able to put things up. And then once I can put things up, then it's gonna start looking the way it's supposed to, because everything has a place, but right now it doesn't. It's on the floor, or it's on the table, or under the table. So now it's gonna start coming together. So I'm really excited, y'all. Really excited. So let me get to some emails. I gotta do some admin stuff. I gotta take Phoenix, get her some lunch, and then we're gonna go from there. So yeah. Say what's up, Fifi. Hold on. This is the shop, y'all. It's coming along. It's coming along. Getting it together, y'all. We're getting it together. Yeah. Oh yeah.